How to work with RPWORLD and get the same quality parts really fast. Follow the workflow to show you around the cooperation process with RPWORLD. First, our BD manager will contact you to know all your requirements on manufacturing supplier and your current project, so that we can offer the most appropriate engineering and manufacturing solutions. RPWORLD attaches great importance to your intellectual property protection, and an NDA can be signed before the cooperation. It all starts when you send CAD files to info@rpworld.com or upload files at rpworld.com. You're recommended to provide the part details such as quantity, material, expected delivery time, surface treatments and finishes, etc., in order to get the accurate quote and technical proposals. After sending files to RPWORLD, you'll get an interactive quote with free DFMA report soon after. The DFM report includes suggestions for the process, material, surface treatment selection, and design optimization from the perspective of manufacturability and assembly. The in-depth analysis helps reduce manufacturing risks before any actual production begins. Avoid the costly reworks and is one of the core benefits for customers to work with RPWORLD. You'll also receive optimal commercial solutions based on development stage, quality, lead time, and more, which will help you launch products to market quickly and cost-effectively. By the way, you can contact us by email, instant message, online meeting, or any other options anytime, anywhere. We are your reliable experts next door. When you're all set and confirm the PO, the manufacturing process is getting started at RPWORLD. Before sending instructions to the production floor, our engineering team double-check the order to confirm the production scheduling and inspection process. As an ISO 9001:2015 certified supplier, RPWORLD performs multiple quality control throughout manufacturing process to create high-quality parts with consistency. Incoming material inspection before actual production is to ensure your part quality from the beginning. The XRF analyzer and infrared carbon and sulfur are used to detect metal material components, plus qualification report such as COA can be provided if required. At CNC machining facility, blocks and materials are machined to your custom parts with the most complex geometries. RPWORLD houses 4-axis, 5-axis CNC milling machines and the automation robot station, which are specializing in manufacturing parts with tight tolerances and consistent quality. These state-of-the-art machines are designed for low-volume manufacturing and running 24/7 to deliver your parts with short lead time. The manufacturing process is combined with stringent quality control at RPWORLD. First article inspection and input quality control are administered to maintain quality during manufacturing. When your parts are ready for surface treatment, they'll be transferred to the post-processing workshop, where dust-free paint room is equipped and different painting texture can be realized. There are various of selections for your finishing treatment, anodizing, plating, printing, and more makes your parts exactly how you need them. Once the manufacturing process is complete, your parts continue right through to outgoing quality control, where critical part dimensions are verified and quality reports are issued. We have visual quality inspection to confirm cosmetic appearance according to your specifications. More importantly, all critical and reference dimensions of your parts will be inspected through a wide variety of specialized inspection equipment, including CMM, 3D scanner, flash measuring machine, and 2D automatic image machine, along with all inspection reports for your review. Shipping is also a crucial link. We will take photos for all your parts before packaging. For your confirmation and archiving only, your parts will be packaged in tailored boxes with proper sizes and materials in order to best protect them during transportation. RPWORLD collaborates with famous international express companies to deliver your parts fast, safely, and intactly. Once these parts are dispatched, you can track your package with the tracking number and receive it as fast as 3 days. And the most fascinating part? The entire process from upload to getting the high-quality parts could happen within days. Contact us to start your project now.